I wanted to sort of discuss the topic of how to do affiliate marketing for complete beginners. So really, it comes down to really three elements. You really do need three elements to building a profitable affiliate marketing business. Now, within this presentation, I'm going to cover all three elements, and I'm going to be able to give you access to your very own automated business system. It kind of does all of these three things for you. But I wanted to give you some quick training before we go in and talk about this particular system that you can get complete free access to it today. So first of all, here's what you're going to discover. Over the next about 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal the three elements that you need to build a successful online business that will run on complete autopilot. And at the end of this presentation here, at the end of this training video, at the end of this information, I'm actually going to give you 100% free access to a pre-built automated business system that generates you multiple streams of income. Now, I'm actually a member of this myself, and I stand by it. The reason why I'm creating this video is one, to help you, two, because this thing is amazing. It's not like anything I've seen before. The amount of training and help that you get is incredible, and the fact that you can earn multiple streams of income is another incredible thing. And here's the best part: you don't need to do any selling yourself. The system will do that for you. So this is perfect for affiliate marketers that are just beginning out and you don't know where to start. This is absolutely perfect. All right, let's get into the actual three elements. So first of all, the first element you're going to need is a high converting funnel. A funnel is something where you collect an email address, you send them to some sort of a thank you page or an offer or a free thing to give away, and then you have some sort of promotion on the back end of that so you can actually generate an income, right? So you need that funnel. The next thing you need is an actual authority. So you need some form of authority online. The third thing is going to be traffic. You're going to need targeted visitors. And the final thing that you really need to understand is how to use email marketing to build that rapport and produce daily commissions. And when you have some sort of automated email sequence going out, you can not be sitting at your computer and you can be sending out these emails and still generating an income. So these are the three elements. In short, there's kind of four elements, all right? So you do need these things to be successful when you're just beginning and starting out at affiliate marketing or at any level. Rightio. So let's go into element number one, which is that funnel. All right, so the funnel needs to provide you with a constant supply of subscribers, basically people that opt in. You need to be able to build recurring commissions, not just one-time sales. You want recurring commissions, things that pay you month in and month out. And another thing that's important to have on the end of that is some sort of high-ticket sales where you're earning $200, $500, $1,000 for every single sale. And the benefit of the system I'm about to show you, it's all sold for you. Right? So I want to actually show you an example of one of my particular funnels that I set up quite a while ago. It did cost me quite a lot of money to get this thing set up, but it produces a fantastic income for me now. And it has a profit per lead of over $2.60, which is what I refer to as a PPL. So I'm making a profit of $2.60. Now that doesn't sound like much, but I'll break it down for you. So this funnel actually cost me quite a lot of money, about $2,300, to one, design it multiple times to get it right, and all the traffic I had to drive through to it to optimize it to get it to work, okay? Then there was all the setup and the testing and the tweaking. Obviously, all that costs time and money. And it kind of looks like this. First of all, you're going to send some form of traffic. That traffic's going to go to a opt-in page where you're offering something for free, some sort of giveaway. Then you're going to be able to send them to a specially designed thank you page that talks about the offer. And then you obviously are sending them to initially a low priced or low cost, low barrier of entry offer, something that's either recurring or one time in this case, but has something going on in the back end. And the back end is usually a webinar or something similar where it's either recurring or a high ticket offer. Okay. Now, although this did cost me quite a lot of money, eventually when I got it right, I'm producing around about $1,700 per week from this. So the funnel is important and the funnel works well, but you have to have all the elements in place. All right. Let's talk about number two, which is authority. Authority basically is a blog. Now, almost every successful online marketer that you see has their own blog, which is pretty much there to produce that authority, subscribers, and of course, commissions. But it'll only work when it's actually done the correct way. Your blog really should be laid out so it does a few important things, and these include: it needs to provide quality content to build your authority and trust. It also needs to build you that email list and social followers. And it also would beneficial to you to create that recurring income. And it's an essential asset, especially when you're doing your email marketing as well, which you'll learn inside this system. Let's talk about the third element here, which is traffic. This is the lifeblood of any business. Without traffic, nothing's going to work, all right? So you need to have a constant supply of targeted visitors, which is traffic. All right, so you need traffic that is pretty much going to be profitable from the get-go. That's very hard to do. But when you tap into a system I'm going to show you that has all that training, you want to be able to do this without all that trial and error, and that's what this is going to offer you. Now, once you have that funnel, right, that has a pretty good RPL, which is revenue per lead, then this is really easy. All you got to do is get leads for less than your RPL, and you will profit every single time. So in other words, if your return per lead is $3 and you can get a lead for $1, then you're making $2 profit off every single lead. Now, you knew before I was making over $2.60 profit per lead. So I was getting my leads for about $1, making $3.60 back. Hence, I was getting a $2.60 profit. That is very scalable. All right. Now, here's the traffic sources that I use, and this is not in any particular order. I love YouTube organic. Okay, so you're on a YouTube video right now, and I also love YouTube ads, Google ads as well, which is something like YouTube ads as well. Solo ads, they're great if done the correct way, and you've got to be very careful with solo ads. But if you know how to do them right, you will make money with those. Then there's Instagram and TikTok organic, which is growing and growing and growing and very popular. And I like Facebook and Pinterest organic as well. So they're kind of the traffic sources that I tap into. Half of them are paid, half of them are free. Rightio. Now, the final thing that you need to understand is how to do effective email marketing. So this is where you're going to have an automated emails that go out at set times and days. And this is designed to, one, build your relationship, okay, offer some value to your lists, and also promote offers the correct way so you earn that money, right? So you earn dollars. Now, once you have these strings and all these three things are actually set up, here's essentially what you have. You have a high profiting funnel, right, that makes recurring income and pretty much grows every single month. You would have a blog that is building your authority, subscribers, and more sales. You're also going to have unlimited high targeted traffic to feed that funnel, which allows your business to grow and grow very quickly. The next thing is that email list that is growing daily so you can bring in more profits pretty much whenever you like. All right. Instead of me trying to expect you to go out and build all of this for yourself, what I want to do is I want to give you access to 100% free access, of course, to your own personal automated funnels and a system. And this system comes with everything you need, and it does everything you need, and it does all the selling for you as well. And you earn multiple recurring incomes. Okay, you build an email list, and it teaches you everything you need to know, all the things that we have discussed. So I want to introduce to you the funnel franchise system. Rightio. Now, here's how the funnel franchise system provides all of these elements. So the funnel, the authority, the visitors, and the email marketing that converts. So let's go over what it does. You get that high converting funnel. So essentially, you're going to actually have access to 2 complete funnels where you really don't have to sell anything at all. It's all done by the system. Now, everything is going to be automated for you, and you will receive recurring monthly payments every single month, right? This also includes that you get the landing page, the thank you page, the free gifts, you get the follow-up series, just 2 of them, and everything is ready for you to use without you really even needing a website. Now, this doesn't matter what your experience level, you can actually be profiting with this in no time at all. This is why it's perfect for this. So this is for affiliate marketers who are just beginning, How do you start affiliate marketing for beginners? This is perfect, all right? This is everything you need, the education, but as you learn, you earn, okay? Really important. Now, number 2, authority. So here's where you're going to discover the exact steps to building a high converting blog, and you'll be able to watch over my shoulder as I do everything live on camera. Okay, so you're going to get access to that. And in fact, I don't know why I put my there. It's not actually me. It's actually the creators of this particular system. You'll watch them. They know what they're doing perfectly. So you're also going to learn how to get AI to write your content that pretty much ranks and brings in traffic and sales. And you'll also learn how to optimize your site just to get even more free traffic so you can rank on the search engines and get better sales, all right, and more traffic. You'll learn how to craft reviews that produce daily sales. Plus, you'll discover the tricks to getting instant commissions, which is pretty important. Now let's get on to number 3, which is the highly targeted traffic. This one here, you're going to discover how to get free traffic from Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more, right? Free traffic is fantastic. Organic is amazing when you know how. You'll also learn how to run solo ads the right way. This way you get quality leads, and of course you'll end up with sales. You're also going to discover multiple different sources of paid traffic, and you're even going to get step-by-step training on exactly how this works and how all these traffic sources work. Now the final touch is that email marketing that converts. Now here you're going to get access to 2 special email follow-up sequences that drive high open rates, high click rates, and sales. You're going to get step-by-step setup training, where really all you got to do in this, and I love this part of it, you simply click a button, right? And then that email sequence is actually in your account. You click another button and that email sequence is in your account. That's it. You make a couple of small changes and that's it. It's done. You have the sequences. These sequences are proven emails that convert. And in fact, it actually converts cold traffic into sales. To ensure you're going to succeed here, this is what else they're giving you. That you're also getting an exclusive bonus. And that bonus is access to a very private Facebook group for members only. Okay? Remember I said this is free to get access to. This allows us to help each other. You're going to get more support. You can obviously share your success stories as well, which really does help you stay motivated. And here's another beautiful part of it. You're going to get access to personal help from the creators of this system. And those people are Mark Whiteley, Nakia Whiteley, which is actually his daughter, Scott Forrest as well. And this is going to ensure you get the help that you need when you need it. Now, this is great to obviously get the help you need, get some updates and even more training, right? So this allows you to see results and just start profiting really, really quickly. So what I want to do now is I'm actually going to show you inside the system and I'm going to show you exactly how you can join. Now, at any stage, you can click the link in the description below, all right? You can click that at any time and that's going to take you to your registration. So you can just register your free account, all right? It's really, really simple, but I'll show you that right now. Okay, so here I am. I'm actually inside my Funnel Franchise account. Okay, so in here you've got everything you need. It's so well designed, so step by step, and so systematic. It's perfect for beginners. That's why I'm suggesting it for beginners. So here's where you've got your home. You've got your system set up where you can, set up your funnel, your email automation. You've got your income streams. You've got your links here. You've got training, got traffic training, list building training, blog creation training, email marketing. There's a strategy session. There's an elite members area. This is what I am. I'm actually an elite member. So when you get in for free, you can create a free account. You get access to almost everything. But the elite members do get some extremely incredible perks. Like you can earn 6 times as much straight away, but you also get additional training, more advanced traffic training, more advanced AI training. I mean, the list goes on. You'll see a video when you actually create your account. I do highly recommend you take that seriously and have a good look at it. It's cheap as chips. All right. It's really, really good. And then you can actually, have a look at your stats here. What happens is every single link inside of this particular members area where the owners recommend different products and services and tools that you may need to run different parts of your business, well, all of those links are actually going to be your links. So you earn all these income streams internally without you doing any selling. It's kind of amazing how they've put this together. The training is detailed. It's step by step. It's literally they show you everything. They don't just give you a whole bunch of information and fluff. It's like you watch them do it and you just copy along. They give you checklists and PDFs and everything you need, Google Docs and Sheets, the whole lot, everything you would need to be successful. And it's shocking that you can actually get into this at no cost to begin with, right? It's really quite amazing. So what I want to do is there is a link below, okay? You will see a link below the video. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to a very simple page that all you got to do is just enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you'll then be able to get access and create your account. And that's going to give you that free system. It's an automated affiliate system, perfect for beginners or anybody at any level. Now, when you do enter your email, it's going to take you to a page like this. And there is a video here. I do recommend you watch that video. Some of the training I've taught you today is actually some of the training you're going to see in here. That's how good it is. And I did ask permission before I went ahead and used it. Now, The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your details over here. Now, this is obviously my account here, but you're going to put your first name and your last name and an email address, a proper email address, so you can receive updates and things like that, and your login details. And then you're going to create a username and a password, and that's it. You're going to click submit and create your free account. Then you will see a video there where he actually reveals how he was able to help some of his students 6x their income pretty much straight away without doing any extra work. Kind of cool, and that's what I actually did that as well. So yeah, that's it. That's all you got to do to register your account, and then once you do, you're in. You'll have access to this, and then you can go through the training, and just below that first video you can join the members only Facebook group, and you can check that out. I mean, these guys really do know what they're doing, and they're there to help you, and they succeed when you succeed. That's as simple as it is, and I can vouch for their ethics and their honesty, and just the fact that they're there to help you. So if you're an affiliate marketer, or you want to be, and you're either beginning or you're an expert, doesn't matter, this is an amazing system. Click the link in the description, click that, that's going to take you to the page. Go ahead and create your free account, and check it out for yourself. You will not be disappointed. So go do that, and I'll likely see you in the actual Facebook group. All right, it's been fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the video. All right, bye.